Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Leilani Love, and today we have Wanda here. If you guys don't remember her from a couple of videos back, she came in for her anniversary and got this wig installed. So today my goal is to help her reinstall it by herself, and the best way to do that I'm finding out is with this boho liquid gold, because it is the truth. So my first instinct was, as I'm putting on the stocking cap, was to pull out some Leilani lock gel and kind of gel her edges back because she has locks. But I was like, you know what? Maybe I could try the boho liquid gold and just use it for like the complete install. This is her wig right here next to me, and she is a closure wig, so it should be pretty easy. She just needs something to like hold down the edges and kind of keep it in place. So yeah, like I said, I originally pulled out the Leilani, but then I was like, nah, let me try this boho liquid gold, because them edges was snatched. So the biggest concern was basically being able to mold her hair and everything and keep it flat, because she does have locks. And then I wanted something that would hold her edges down but was easy to clean off of her hair, because it's not like she could just wash all the product out like as if her hair was loose. It's locked, so it could get, you know, matted and stuff. So I like the boho liquid gold because like you can literally like clean off her edges with like a rag and some water and she's good. So yes, Miss Tamika, like thank you for making this product. So now you see me using it here for her baby hair, which is also going to reinforce her hairline. And let me tell y'all that this stuff is like cement when you're done. Like the edges is not going anywhere. You know, when the stylist walk away, you got to snap a picture real quick. Yes, so I use that Nairobi foam to tame her flyaways and mold her hair. And as you can see, she's on flat. And here's the final result, guys. This is her second install with this unit, and this is her on Instagram. Make sure y'all check out her Instagram, which is at the top, Dance for Your Life Fitness. Because yes, this is a closure wig and it is installed gluelessly. So yeah, let's just get into it and let's get into these colors. Like, all right, seriously. Big shout out to boho liquid gold, because y'all like are the most amazing glueless product ever. If you guys do want to buy your own custom wig for me, make sure you check out my website, www.leilanislove.com. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, peace and love.